What's good? It's your boy Kalen Cook, Oculus Media, and I'm here today with another video for you guys. I got some new toys or video equipment or whatever you want to call it. Roll that intro. So the new equipment I have is the Rokinon 12mm 2.0 aperture lens. I bought this for real estate. I'm trying to get in a real estate video. Still trying to get some clientele, emailing different realtors, listing agents, and so on and so forth. And also I have the Moza Air gimbal, 3-axis gimbal. So I'm gonna be using that today. I got my brother here with me today. We're at the basketball court, and we're gonna get some cool shots and see, you know, what this stuff's looking like. So let's check it out. So that is the cinematic sequence that I just created of my brother and I at the basketball court. I was using that might have been a little extra, but that last outro that I filmed out at the park, I really wasn't feeling it. The park is actually right across the street from a fire station, and as soon as I started, a fire truck decided to run out the station. So of course it just ruined the audio. But yeah, so that was my first field test, running and gunning with the Moza gimbal and a 12mm Rokinon lens. This lens is amazing. As you can see, I have it on now. It's a more wide view. It gives you a full frame vibe on a APS-C camera. So that's why I really like it. I really like this combo because I really got some real wide shots and I can see a lot while getting really close to the action at the same time. So if you guys really like this video, just make sure you like and drop a comment below. Thank you guys for all your love and support. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed right now. Also hit that notification button so anytime that I drop a video, you guys will be notified. Thank you so much again for all this love and support. Kalen Cook is out.